Chimera9Pro. Maiden Flight, the newest iFlight drone in my squadron, the Chimera9. My Chimera9 has both GPS and RID, as well as the O3 air module, and I'm flying it with Diversity ELRS. It's a big boy 9-inch drone, and I'm looking forward to this maiden flight with it. The weather is perfect. My friends, fixed wing friends, are here at the field, so we'll be staying out of their way, but we're having a great time and a great checkout flight on this Chimera9. All right, I'm plugging in. I've got a 5200 milliamp hour 6S Lipo on top of my Chimera9 and plugging in to get GPS lock, and then we'll be launching. There we go.
Turtle mode, that's never good.
Just checking switches. 13 satellites, that looks great. Arming. Recording, powering up for launch. Oh, that took off really easy, about 15% power on my throttle. Moving out here to the hinterlands, so I clear the pattern that fixed wings are flying. Boy, this flies smooth and fast. I'm now at about 40% throttle and cruising at 55 miles an hour. Try some turns. Oh, so nice. I'll put up a detail of the components in the drone, the motors, and all the spec particulars, the Chimera9. This is a custom, considered a Chimera9 Pro, the O3 air unit, and the GPS, the RID module. Actually, it's an RID chip that's installed. Nice, an external module. Oh, this just is tracking as lovely as one could ask for. Try a little bit more speed. Okay, there's about half throttle and getting just below 80, 78, 79 miles an hour. Trying to maintain level flight. Should have increased the angle of the O3 camera so I could fly a little faster, see where I'm going instead of just looking at the ground. Wow. Now, one of the beauties is the of a Diversity ELRS. I haven't seen the slightest drop. I haven't seen the slightest drop in video either, so that's great. And the battery's at 3.8. Those big motors, and I'm motoring. I'm not just cruising. it likes 60. It really likes 60. See how she does an aileron roll or an axial roll just fine. And a big loop. I think the real problem with doing big loops with big quads is the great big batteries that they're hauling. And it makes the center of rotation for the loop a bit bumpy at times. Yeah, 5 minutes into the flight, 3.64 on the Lipo. Okay, at 3.6 and 6 minutes of time, I'm gonna come on back in and land. Oh, look at how nice that is. And she's down. That was a quite fine maiden flight of a really big quad. My thanks to iFlight USA Repair Center for the superb build.